Does your engine feel sluggish, like it's starting to lose its spark? Is it struggling to turn over, idling roughly, or suddenly costing you way too much at the pump? The good news is that most of those issues are actually a quick fix. In this video, I'm breaking down 13 essential engine maintenance tips specifically designed to help make your engine run like new without a massive shop bill. Clean or replace the air filter. The air filter acts as a vital shield, protecting your engine from dirt and debris. Because internal combustion engines function like a giant air pump, they require a constant flow of clean air to operate efficiently. A clogged or dirty filter restricts this airflow, which chokes the engine, steals your horsepower, and causes significant waste of gas. To maintain peak performance and successfully improve gas mileage, you should replace the filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. If you frequently drive on dusty roads or in harsh environments, be sure to inspect and change it even sooner. Fuel injector cleaning. Fuel injectors are high-precision tools designed to spray a fine mist of gasoline directly into your engine. Over time, extreme engine heat causes old fuel to break down into a sticky, varnish-like gunk. This buildup blocks the nozzle, resulting in a weak dribble instead of a clean mist. Consequently, your car loses significant power and wastes expensive gas. To ensure a clean and powerful burn, it is highly recommended to get a professional, pressurized cleaning every 30,000 miles. If your vehicle is struggling with fuel delivery, cleaning the injectors is the smartest first step to take. Carbon cleanup. Engine detox. Black soot and carbon deposits build up on critical engine parts like valves and pistons over time, especially in modern direct injection engines. This thick accumulation can cause a noticeable loss of power, reduced fuel efficiency, and loud pinging noises during acceleration. While using liquid fuel additives can help slightly, walnut blasting remains the gold standard for physically scrubbing away heavy dirt and stubborn grime. For the very best results, you should aim for a professional deep clean every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. This essential maintenance keeps your internal components spotless, allowing your engine to continue running like new. Inspect and clean the throttle body. A sticky film on the intake valve can block airflow, making your car shake while stopped. This is a common rough idle fix. By doing a simple throttle body cleaning DIY, you can use a special spray and a soft brush to clean it. This makes the engine run smoothly again and helps your car speed up faster. Clean the mass airflow (MAF) sensor. The MAF sensor tells your car's computer how much air is coming in so it can add the right amount of fuel. If the sensor gets dirty, your engine gets confused and loses power. To fix this, use a special MAF cleaner spray, but be very careful. Never touch the tiny wire inside because it breaks easily. Cleaning this sensor is a top secret for getting your engine's performance back to normal. Use quality fuel and octane ratings. Top-tier gasoline has special cleaners that keep your engine from getting dirty. Using the right fuel type also prevents knocking sounds and engine damage. Think of using high-quality gas and a bottle of cleaner every 3,000 miles as a cheap engine tune-up. It is an easy way to keep everything inside running clean and smooth. Timely oil changes the right way. Many people believe the modern car maintenance myth that you must change your oil every 3,000 miles. In reality, modern synthetic oils are designed to last much longer than older formulas. To save money and keep your engine clean, you should simply follow the specific recommendations in your car's owner manual or wait for the dashboard oil life light to turn on. These systems track your actual driving habits and engine temperature to tell you the best time for a service. Following these modern guidelines ensures you change the oil exactly when needed, protecting your engine while preventing unnecessary waste. Swap the old stuff. Preventative replacement. Engine heat eventually wears out spark plugs and ignition coils. When plugs get old, they force the coils to work harder, which causes the engine to shake or skip. Replacing these every 60,000 to 100,000 miles is a great cheap engine tune-up. Also, using a seal conditioner can help stop annoying oil leaks. Clean or replace the PCV valve. The PCV valve is a small but critical component that helps your engine breathe properly by recycling unburned gases back into the combustion chamber. If this valve gets clogged with oil and dirt, internal pressure builds up within the crankcase. This excessive pressure can eventually blow out expensive oil seals, leading to messy and costly leaks. To check the condition of the valve, simply remove it and give it a quick shake. If you do not hear a clear metallic rattle, it is broken and stuck. Replacing it is a fast, cheap way to keep your engine healthy. Replace a damaged gas cap. A cracked gas cap lets fuel escape as a gas, which often turns on your check engine light. This is a very common problem that wastes fuel. Replacing a worn cap is a quick, $20 fix that keeps your fuel system working correctly and helps the environment. Clean the gas cap and filler neck. Dirt on the gas tank opening creates tiny gaps that let pressure escape. Wiping the neck and the cap's rubber ring with a cloth and a little WD-40 is a quick, rough idle fix. This simple cleaning can turn off warning lights without you having to buy any new parts. Install the correct type of cap. Buying a universal gas cap can be a major mistake because different vehicles require a very specific type to handle internal pressure correctly. Your car's fuel system is designed to be either vented or non-vented, and using the wrong version can create a dangerous vacuum lock situation. This blockage makes it significantly harder for the fuel pump to push gasoline to the engine, leading to premature wear or total pump failure. To keep your engine healthy and avoid these costly mechanical issues, you should always buy a cap that matches the original equipment manufacturer (OEM) specifications for your specific year and model. Give the gasket a silicone vitamin. Once a year, you should rub a small amount of silicone grease onto the rubber ring inside your gas cap. Over time, heat and fuel fumes make this rubber dry, brittle, and likely to crack. The grease keeps the rubber soft and stretchy, allowing it to create a perfect airtight seal against the tank. This simple trick is one of the best car engine performance secrets for stopping annoying check engine lights before they start. By taking just a few seconds for this task, you keep your fuel system pressurized and ensure your engine continues to run perfectly every day.